The Christmas Island red crab is a species of land crab that is endemic to Christmas Island and Cocos Island in the Indian Ocean of Australia off the coast of Indonesia. The island is best known for its world-famous annual red crab migration. Every year on Christmas Island during the rainy season, million of red crabs move from the island to the coast to reproduce and lay eggs. This is one of the most impressive animal migrations ever seen. All you will see in the mass of the countless number of crabs shitting the roads and cliffs emerging from the forest and heading to the sea. Although restricted to a relatively small area, an estimated 45 million adult red crabs once lived on Christmas Island alone. But the accidental introduction of the yellow crazy ant is believed to have killed about 10 to 15 million of these in recent years. Christmas Island red crabs makes an annual mass migration to the sea to lay their eggs in the ocean, although its population is under great assault by the ants. In order to protect the red crabs from being crushed by vehicles, some sections of road may close for part or all of the day during the peak migration time, often at short notice, but you can park your car and carefully walk among the sea of moving crabs as they make their way to and from the beach. You will also see the crab bridge built over the roads. These are great places to stand and watch the flow of crabs. Public notice boards and local radio provide updates on crab movement during the migration. Please follow all signs and the advice of National Park staff. The migration starts with the first rainfall of the wet season. This is usually in October or November, but can sometimes be as late as December or January. Most of the adult red crabs that inhabit Christmas Island suddenly start their mass migration from the forest to the sea to breed. The rain provides enough moist conditions for them to complete their long and difficult journey, about 5 miles, which usually takes 5 to 7 days. The timing of the migration is linked to the phases of the moon and the lunar schedule. Each female crab can produce up to 1 lakh eggs, which she holds in a brood pouch. The red crab migration in Christmas Island's biggest tourist attraction, drawing nature lovers from all over the world.